Hey guys, this is Tanya123 and welcome back to my channel.
Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot.
Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Spine Breaker MV. Yeah, this is a fun MV because it's like a meme MV, but it's going to be really funny. It's written in the description. So okay, let's start reacting to this. The link is in the description. You can check this out from where I took it. So let's start reacting to this one. Spine Breakers with English sub. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, it's not official. It's like, okay, the song is official, but the MV is like funny. Spine Breaker MV. They made it themselves. BTS made them it by themselves only. Okay, so let's see. What is this? Song by BTS Spine Breaker. Okay. What? Okay, what is this, man? Okay, this is hilarious. As the start itself is hilarious. These two are looking at each other like, okay, this is a meme. How it's actually them who made this. Okay, I think JK was the one who's holding the camera. Let's see. Look at him. Look at them. What is this? Director Rap Monster. Assistant Director J Hope. Okay, this is gonna be really fun. And the la 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 la. Look at Namjoon, man. Like what? How the way he looked at the yellow spectacles, and then this again Jimin doing this. See, what is he wearing? He's wearing a necklace. Who made them wear this? Dance director Jin. Camera Jungkook. Okay, I was right about that. Look at this. What is this? Wait a second. Jimgu, Jimin, luggage guy. Okay, mental carer V, food truck sugar. Okay, this is going to be nonsense. Okay, what is this? Mental carer V. Okay, what does that show about this? Okay. Okay, wait, fine. Because the way they did this, the choreographer must be Jin. Let me see. What? With shoes worth a couple hundred, padded jacket worth couple thousand. Okay. 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 The way the camera went like that on Jin's face and the look on his face. Okay. What is this, man? Education goes over here, student identity goes over. 산으로 가 21세기 계급은 반으로 딱 나눠져 있는 자와 없는 자 쉬는 자와 없는 자. Oh God, no! Oh God, no! What? This is not real. What? Rich, poor. The way he's like rich, he's like, okay, he had all those dress and that necklace, for God's sake. Why? Okay. And then there's poor V because he's wearing. Okay, this is what? Richer, poor, richer. They had shoes, and the poorer they're like barefoot. Okay, that is no subtlety at all. Like just directly they're blunt. Okay. I don't know why I'm loving Sugar in this. This guy is the best in this all of a sudden. Okay, what's going on? Are you falling behind on the trend? It's like they're dissing us. Spine breakers, like, okay. What kind of choreography is this? What? Okay, this. Okay, no. What? The way they went like that, and then just suddenly GK's faces came, he was smiling like that. Okay. You whined and complained to get it. Did I offend you? Okay. It's like, it's talking about kids and the parents. I think we are parents spine breakers. That okay. That's what they're saying. Okay. Okay, that we are like spine breakers to our parents. They are doing all these things for us, but we are still not satisfied and complaining. It's like that. Okay.
내가 받은 돈 내가 쓰겠다는데 5천만의 취향을 다 니들처럼 마셔 야 만족할 사람들이지 제발 넌
What are they doing? They just like, okay, you only be satisfied if I spend money like I spend yours. Okay, this like dollar in the okay, Jimin, really? Why?
사줘 네 인생 말여 네가 라면 말 안 하겠어 그래 내 팬딩 더럽게 비싸고 더럽게 안 예뻐
Okay, yeah, my jacket is really expensive and not pretty at all. Okay, we get it.
와우 기분 좋아
I'm loving this. Wow.
너의 dirty clothes
The way they're dragging it like that, I'm loving the song also. Wow, it feels good putting on your dirty clothes. Like what? Okay, why? They're in front of a mirror and he's holding the camera and they're doing this. Just this. Okay.
뭔가 다른 rock and rollin' swag alone
You're something different, rocking, rolling, swagging, swagger wrong. What? Okay. Why? And he's lying and singing this line again.
대체 왜 이래 미쳤어 baby 그게 너의 맘을 조여버릴 거야
Okay, I'm listening to this song and this part is the best. Like, okay, what is wrong with you, you crazy baby? Okay.
맘을 조여버릴 거야 너
I don't know, just lying down and singing this song is making me like it. I don't know why. Okay, that's what will suffocate your heart. Dirty clothes, really?
dirty clothes 나도 dirty clothes 누구나 겪어봤겠지 입고 거리로
What is this,
나가보면
man?
어깨에 힘빡 들어가고
Expensive clothes. Like Gulliver? Really? What? I understand you too much. Whatever you wear, I understand.
나보다
but
작아
don't
보이지 like
Okay.
Oliver 멀리 봐도 예해 근데 애는
Oh man, this is a living meme. This is a meme.
배가 부른 상태 체해 우회해
What? How many glasses are there?
그래 말리지 않을게 이제 마음은 정해
Okay, you're putting your all that fashion clothes and all this new things, and you're putting new trends and all that. You're using your parents' money. Okay, you're not yourself. You're getting that money. Where? You're getting it from your parents. Okay, you overusing it. That's what it is. So he's giving the frustrations of the parent. Okay, nice. Look at them, they're suddenly having close up with their face and their expression is like the extreme disappointment. Okay. They started making mean faces. Okay, now Tay is the best at that.
네가 바로 등골
They are my spine breakers, okay. I just love that la 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 part. Yeah, every time it comes, it is like okay. Your parents' spine breaker. That's what I said. Okay. What is this choreography, man? Now, whenever I'm going to listen to this song, I'm going to do this. Okay, this is good, man. What is this filter? Okay, this actually puts filters. And what happened to him? What happened to Jin? What the? Is he the parent here because his spine is broken or something? Because this is hilarious. What? Oh my god, this was hilarious. What the hell was this song? Okay. Alright, the way they started introducing with that Jin being choreographer and everybody, we being mental carer, Sugar being what? Something what? Jimin being luggage carer, what? I think they used lots of props or they made them do this MV. Oh god, it's a part of their album, but they just made it just like that. Okay, but this was hilarious to see though. They are just chaotic. That's what it was. Okay. So if you like my reaction to Spine Breakers, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.